Hello student, today I am going to teach you how to design or animate your PowerPoint presentation. For that I will show you how to do it. First of all, you have to learn how to design it. In design we learn the page setup. Page setup means you setting the margin, your height, your width, your portrait or landscape, which type of page you want. Portrait means height is more than the width, and landscape means height is less than the width. So next you have to set the theme. Then on theme you have given already the pre-made format which you can use in your data and apply it. Suppose I want to apply this one, then this will change into different way. So press Ctrl Z to continue the previous one because I want this one. Then background style, you can change the theme color here. You can change the color. Their combinations are given. You can change the colors. Then you can change the font. Different type of fonts are given. This one is looking nice. Then effect, here different type of effects are given. You choose, and which is suitable for you, you can set. And then background style, here you can change the background style. I have taken this one. You can change it. Okay, and hide background graphic, the graphic which I have made there. The theme has given the graphic, you can hide it. More background you can show. Here you can set the gradient. If you change this, then the whole thing will be changed, but I don't want change to. So press Ctrl Z to change into old one. Then I come to the animation. In animation I have to take some object to create the animation. First of all, whatever you have set, you preview. This I have set in my slides, and next I have to you can preview your slide. Now in animation I have inserted the object which you get from this place. I have taken the cloud, and then light, you can take light, you can convert it into you can make it gradient, color fill, animation, design, in design shape, in home design shape, fill shape. Here you can change in gradient. When you take this one, this one, this one, this one is good. You can also change it, shape, fill, gradient. Okay, and then you can animate it for animation. To come to animation, go to the custom animation. Here you add effect, uh, light effect. Suppose in light, grow and shrink, spin, bold flash, flash bulb. When you say flash bulb, okay, then play it and see how it will working. So first of all, light it and play it. So both things should be go together. So press this one and delete and select both object and group it and then animate it, add effect, then motion path, then draw custom path by scribble. You but this way this not go. So press Ctrl Z again, separate it. It should be a uh, disappear when it flash. So find out something. Flash bulb, flashing, but after that it should be a disappear. So find out disappear. Flash once, random, split wedge, Y. Then find out how it is working. Play, okay, play, swipe out but not disappear. Then find out again. Flash one, fly in, dissolve in, random effect, strip wheel, white, red, expand, fade, faded, zoom, fade, appear, foul in, it's not working, circle, foul, flash, peak in, random bar, split, expand, fade, faded, swell, then fold, glide, then glide, float, sling. So you do as you wish. Rise up, raise in, okay. Then move this cloud, add effect, motion path, give more motion. So cloud come again in the same place. So use this circle or right angle or bounce left, bounce arc, arc, arc. This is right. Then take this one. Now put the sound. You can use this trees. This one is okay. It's not it's okay. So this way you make a animation and use the different effects, and then you can play it. Slideshow from beginning. Hello students. Even you can insert the clip art here. For in this clip art you can set ungroup, bring front group, ungroup this. When you ungroup this, then this portion will get separate. You can fill it by a color, shape. It show the effect when it is. You can also fill this with this color. Okay. Then play again. In that you can put the effect. Flash well. It's okay. Now, today I am finishing my tutorial. Tomorrow I will say review, in which there are only few things which I have already told you: spelling, research, thesis, translation, and language. Translation means you can translate English into any other language. Suppose you want Hindi, then you can translate it Hindi, but for that you require the internet. New comment you can protect your presentation in view menu. There are several options which I will tell you later. So today I am finishing my presentation. I will continue this lecture tomorrow. Thank you, student, and please give the comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.